We're replacing the master oven fan on the Thermador. A lot of noise when it's going. Scooch the oven out, person on each side. Unplug the power. T20 Torx bit. Some of these off, and then we'll take these off. Screw here, here, and here. So 3 more screws in the front. Screws in the order that we took them apart. Gently lift up the entire back panel to reveal the 2 fans. This is the broken fan. Listen to that. That's the broken bearing. This one is not making any noise. The left smaller one is fine. The right bigger one is not fine. 2 electrical connectors here, straight up, and they come off, but be very, very gentle. There are 4 mounting bolts. One here, one here, one here, and one here. Extender on a hand tool against it, and then you take the whole unit out. 1 more wiring connector, able to lift up. It comes right up. No, it's detached. You just lift this piece off. New, same part. The bearing moves every time you move this, and then in here, no motion whatsoever. Part link in the description below is used on many similar ovens. And we'll put it on exactly how we found it before. The 3 holes lined. These are self-tapping screws. You may need to push hard in the new sheet metal. It's gentle with the new wire connection, just like the old one, into this side. We will close this in the exact same way we opened it. Orange connector to the left, push that on. White to the right, plug the unit back in, re-bolt it, and test it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.